Last night, a college student in California made $127 while she was sleeping. She didn't work a night shift. She didn't deliver food. She just woke up to notifications on her phone showing money in her account. She uploaded a simple t-shirt design 2 weeks ago, and people kept buying it. This is called print on demand, and it's one of the most beginner-friendly ways to make money online right now. You don't need to buy inventory. You don't need to ship anything. You don't even need to touch a single product. You just create designs, upload them, and when someone buys, you get paid. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how print on demand works and give you 5 clear steps to start making money with it, even if you have zero experience. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get your first product online and start earning. Let's get into it. Step 1. Understanding what print on demand actually is. Okay, so before we jump into making money, let me explain what print on demand really means in the simplest way possible. Think about the traditional way of selling t-shirts. You design a cool image or phrase for a t-shirt. Then you'd have to buy 100 blank t-shirts, find someone to print your design on them, store them in your house, and then try to sell them. If nobody bought them, you just wasted all that money. Print on demand is completely different. You create your design on your computer, you upload it to a website like Printful or Printify. They connect to selling platforms like Etsy or your own online store. When someone orders a t-shirt with your design, the print on demand company prints it, packages it, and ships it directly to the customer. You never see the product. You never spend money up front. You only pay for the product after someone buys it. So if a t-shirt costs you $12 to make and you sell it for $25, you keep the $13 difference. That's your profit. No risk. No inventory sitting in your closet. This works for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, posters, tote bags, and so much more. The print on demand company handles everything. You just focus on creating designs that people want to buy. Step 2. Choosing your platform and niche. Now that you understand this system, you need to pick where you're going to sell and what kind of designs you're going to create. For platforms, the easiest ones to start with are Etsy or Redbubble. Etsy is like a big online marketplace where people look for unique handmade and custom items. You create a shop there for free. Redbubble is even simpler because you just upload your designs and they handle literally everything, even the shop part. You just get paid when something sells. You can also use print on demand with your own Shopify store, but that's a bit more advanced. Now for the niche part. A niche just means a specific topic or group of people. Don't try to make designs for everyone. That's a huge mistake beginners make. Instead, pick something specific. Maybe you love dogs. Create designs for dog lovers. Maybe you're into fitness. Make gym motivation designs. Maybe you like funny teacher quotes. Make designs for teachers. When you focus on one niche, it's easier to create designs people actually want. Dog lovers will buy multiple dog-related items if they like your style. Someone might buy a mug, then come back for a t-shirt, then a tote bag. Popular niches that make money include pets, hobbies like gardening or fishing, professions like nursing or teaching, funny quotes, motivational sayings, and holiday themes. Pick one that interests you because you'll be creating designs around it. Step 3. Creating your first designs. Without being a designer, here's where people get scared. They think you need to be a graphic designer or an artist. You absolutely don't. The easiest way to create designs is using Canva. It's free and super simple. They have templates for everything. You can create text-based designs in literally 5 minutes. Something like a funny quote in nice fonts with maybe a simple graphic. Text-based designs sell really well. Think about t-shirts you see people wearing. A lot of them are just clever sayings or motivational quotes in cool fonts. You can make these easily. Just make sure the text is clear and easy to read, use colors that look good together, and keep it simple. You can also use AI tools now. Canva has AI features built in. You can type what you want and it helps create graphics for you. There's also tools like Leonardo AI that can generate images based on what you describe. Another option is buying design elements from places like Creative Fabrica. These are graphics you can use and combine to make your own designs. Maybe you buy some dog illustrations and combine them with text to create your own unique design. Start with 5 to 10 designs in your first week. Don't spend forever trying to make one perfect design. Make a few, upload them, and see what happens. You'll learn what works by actually doing it, not by overthinking it. Step 4. Setting up your shop and pricing your products. Once you have a few designs ready, it's time to set up your shop. Let's use Etsy as an example because it's the most popular for beginners. You go to Etsy and click open a shop. They'll ask you some basic questions. Pick a shop name that relates to your niche. If you're doing dog designs, maybe something like Possum Designs Co. or Happy Dog Apparel. Make it simple and easy to remember. Then you connect your Etsy shop to a print-on-demand service like Printify or Printful. Both of these integrate directly with Etsy. This means when someone orders from your Etsy shop, the order automatically goes to Printify, they print it, and they ship it. You literally don't do anything except collect your profit. Now for pricing. This is important. Let's say you're selling t-shirts. Printify charges you about $12 to $15 to print and ship a basic t-shirt. You need to price it higher to make profit. Most people sell basic t-shirts for $25 to $30 on Etsy. So if your cost is $13 and you sell for $26, you make $13 profit per sale. That might not sound like a lot, but if you sell 10 t-shirts in a week, that's $130. If you sell 50 in a month, that's over $600. And remember, you're not doing the printing or shipping, you're just uploading designs. For your product descriptions on Etsy, keep them simple. Describe what the design is, what sizes are available, and what the t-shirt quality is like. Use keywords that people might search for. If it's a funny dog shirt, use words like funny dog shirt, dog lover gift, pet owner t-shirt in your title and description. Step 5. Getting your first sales and growing. The hardest part is getting your first few sales. Once you get those, everything becomes easier because Etsy and other platforms start showing your products to more people. To get your first sales, you need to help people find your products. On Etsy, this means using good keywords and tags. When you list a product, Etsy gives you 13 tags. Use all of them. Think about what someone would type into the search bar if they wanted your product. You can also share your products on social media. If you're doing dog designs, join Facebook groups for dog lovers and share your shop when it's appropriate. Post on Instagram or Pinterest. You don't need thousands of followers. Even a few shares can get you your first sales. Another trick is to look at what's already selling. Go on Etsy and search for products in your niche. Look at the top selling items. What do they have in common? What designs are popular? You're not copying them, but you're learning what people like and creating your own version. Once you start getting sales, keep adding more designs. The more products you have in your shop, the more chances people have to find you. Some sellers have hundreds of designs up. Not all of them sell great, but having more products increases your overall sales. Some people make $500 a month with print on demand as a side hustle. Others turn it into a full-time business, making $3,000 to $5,000 a month or more. It depends on how much effort you put in and how good you get at understanding what designs people want. So there you have it, 5 steps to start your print-on-demand journey. The beautiful thing about print-on-demand is you can start this weekend with zero money, just your time and effort. Your first sale might take a week or a month, but once you get it, you'll see that this actually works. I really hope this helped clear things up for you. If you got value from this video, I'd appreciate it if you could leave a like. And if you want more content like this about making money online in simple, realistic ways, go ahead and subscribe. I also read the comments, so let me know what niche you're thinking about trying. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being here. Now go upload your first design and start building something that makes you money.